How do you round up a number? How does one round a number up in Python? I tried round number but it rounds the number down. Example. And not 3, as I would like. Yeah, I tried int number plus dot 5, but it round the number down again. Example.
The math.ceil, ceiling, function returns the smallest integer higher or equal to x. For Python 3. For Python 2.
I know this answer is for a question from a while back, but if you don't want to import math and you just want to round up, this works for me. The first part becomes 4 and the second part evaluates to true if there is a remainder, which in addition true equals 1, false equals 0. So if there is no remainder, then it stays the same integer, but if there is a remainder it adds 1.
If working with integers, one way of rounding up is to take advantage of the fact that // rounds down. Just do the division on the negative number, then negate the answer. No import, floating point, or conditional needed. For example,
Interesting Python 2. X issue to keep in mind. The problem is that dividing two ints in Python produces another int and that's truncated before the ceiling call. You have to make one value a float, or cast, to get a correct result. In JavaScript, the exact same code produces a different result.
You might also like NumPy. I'm not saying it's better than math, but if you were already using NumPy for other purposes, you can keep your code consistent. Anyway, just a detail I came across. I use NumPy a lot and was surprised it didn't get mentioned, but of course the accepted answer works perfectly fine.